Welcome to our video on the best rice cookers with steamers. We'll explore top models, their unique features, and how they can transform your cooking. Check the description box for product links and more details. Don't miss out on discovering your perfect kitchen companion. Let's dive in. At number 5 is the Aroma Housewares Digital Rice Cooker. For those looking for a simple yet effective rice cooker, the Aroma Housewares Digital Rice Cooker is a great budget-friendly option. While it may lack some of the advanced features found in premium models, it delivers solid performance and convenience in a compact package. Digital controls with specialized settings. The Aroma Rice Cooker features easy-to-use digital controls that allow you to select from pre-programmed settings for white rice, brown rice, and steaming. This takes the guesswork out of cooking different rice varieties, ensuring you get great results every time. Automatic Keep Warm Mode. Once your rice is cooked, the Aroma will automatically switch to a Keep Warm mode. This maintains the ideal serving temperature until you're ready to enjoy your meal, preventing the rice from drying out or getting cold. Compact size with carrying handle. Despite its affordable price tag, the Aroma Rice Cooker has a sleek and compact design. This makes it easy to store on your countertop or in a cabinet when not in use. And the built-in carrying handle adds an extra touch of convenience. Why it's great. For those who don't need all the bells and whistles of a premium rice cooker, the Aroma Housewares model delivers impressive performance at a very reasonable price point. Its digital controls, automatic keep warm, and compact design make it a great value. At number 4 is the Tiger JKT D10U IH Rice Cooker. When it comes to perfectly cooked rice every time, the Tiger JKT D10U IH Rice Cooker is a standout performer. Featuring advanced induction heating technology, this rice cooker delivers exceptional results that elevate it above many of its competitors. Induction heating for even cooking. The secret to the Tiger's precision is its induction heating system. Rather than relying on a traditional heating plate, the induction technology heats the inner pot directly, ensuring even heat distribution throughout. This results in rice that is cooked to perfection, with no hot spots or uneven textures. Automatic Keep Warm Mode. Once your rice is done, the Tiger automatically switches to a Keep Warm mode that maintains the ideal serving temperature until you're ready to enjoy it. This prevents the rice from drying out or getting cold, so you can have fresh, fluffy rice whenever you need it. Detachable inner lid for easy cleaning. For added convenience, the Tiger's inner lid is designed to be easily removable. This makes it a breeze to thoroughly clean the cooker after each use, ensuring it stays in top condition. Why it's great. The combination of induction heating, automatic keep warm, and easy cleaning make the Tiger JKT D10U one of the most user-friendly and high-performing rice cookers on the market. Its ability to deliver perfect rice results every time sets it apart from many other models. At number 3 at our list is the Hamilton Rice Cooker and Food Steamer. The Hamilton Rice Cooker and Food Steamer is a great all-in-one appliance that can handle all your rice cooking and steaming needs. With its intuitive digital controls, included steamer basket, and automatic keep warm mode, it offers a ton of functionality and convenience at an affordable price. Digital controls with countdown timer. One of the standout features of the Hamilton is its easy-to-use digital control panel. This allows you to simply select your rice type and cooking time, and the machine will handle the rest. The countdown timer is also a helpful feature, letting you know exactly when your rice or steamed foods will be ready. Versatile steaming capabilities. In addition to cooking rice, the Hamilton also doubles as a food steamer. The included steaming tray allows you to steam a variety of healthy foods like vegetables, fish, and more while your rice is cooking below. This makes it a very versatile kitchen appliance. Automatic Keep Warm Mode. Once your rice or steamed foods are done, the Hamilton will automatically switch to a Keep Warm mode. This ensures your meals stay at the perfect serving temperature until you're ready to enjoy them, without overcooking or drying out. Why it's great. The Hamilton offers a great combination of user-friendly features, versatility, and affordability. Whether you're cooking rice or steaming healthy sides, it makes the process simple and convenient. And with its automatic keep warm mode, you don't have to worry about your food getting cold before serving. At number 2 is the Cuckoo CR0655F rice cooker. The Cuckoo CR0655F is a high-quality rice cooker that makes preparing delicious, fluffy rice a breeze. With its range of convenient features, this appliance is a must-have for any home kitchen. Quick cook and keep warm. One of the Cuckoo's standout features is its quick cook function, which can have a batch of rice ready in as little as 15 minutes. This is a huge time saver compared to the 30 to 45 minutes it can take to cook rice on the stove. And the automatic keep warm mode ensures your rice stays at the perfect serving temperature until you're ready to eat. Durable stainless steel pot. The Cuckoo's inner pot is made of high-quality stainless steel, which is more durable than the non-stick pots found in many cheaper rice cookers. This helps the pot maintain its non-stick properties over time and makes it easy to clean after each use. Automatic shutoff. For added safety and convenience, the Cuckoo rice cooker automatically shuts off once the cooking cycle is complete. This prevents the rice from overcooking or burning and gives you one less thing to worry about. Why it's great. The Cuckoo CR0655F rice cooker is a fantastic addition to any kitchen. With its quick cook function, keep warm feature, stainless steel inner pot, and automatic shutoff, this appliance makes preparing delicious, fluffy rice easier than ever before. If you're in the market for a reliable and user-friendly rice cooker, the Cuckoo CR0655F is an excellent choice. At number 1 is the Zojirushi Neuro Fuzzy Rice Cooker. The Zojirushi Neuro Fuzzy Rice Cooker is the clear winner when it comes to consistently producing the best results in rice cooking. Whether you're making sushi rice, brown rice, or basmati, this rice cooker delivers perfectly fluffy and delicious results every time. Neuro Fuzzy Technology. The secret to the Neuro Fuzzy's performance is its advanced Neuro Fuzzy logic technology. This allows the cooker to automatically adjust cooking times and temperatures to ensure optimal results for whatever type of rice you're preparing. No guesswork or trial and error required, just perfect rice with the press of a button. Versatility. In our testing, the Zojirushi was able to flawlessly cook a wide variety of rice types, from delicate sushi rice to hearty brown rice and everything in between. Its ability to handle so many different rice styles with ease is a major advantage over other models. Convenient features. Beyond just cooking great rice, the Neuro Fuzzy has some handy convenience features. The automatic keep warm mode ensures your rice stays at the ideal serving temperature until you're ready. And the retractable power cord makes for easy storage when not in use. Why it's great. If you eat rice regularly and want the best possible results, the Zojirushi Neuro Fuzzy Rice Cooker is absolutely worth the investment. Its unparalleled performance, versatility, and convenient features make it the gold standard for home rice cookers. Our recommendation. The Zojirushi Neuro Fuzzy Rice Cooker as our best value option, and the Hamilton Beach Rice Cooker and Food Steamer as the budget-friendly alternative. Choosing the best rice cooker with a steamer can elevate your cooking experience, offering versatility and convenience. By considering features and user reviews, you can find a model that fits your needs. Thanks for watching and happy cooking!